Good morning students, welcome back to the maths class. Today we are going to see the 8th question. I'll read the question. Find the area of the sector whose length of the arc is 50 millimeter and radius is 14 millimeter. Up to 7th question we completed. Now we will move on to the 8th question. Like this only you have to write it in your classwork. Length of the arc equal to 50 millimeter, radius equal to 14 millimeter given in the question. Area of the sector, we already wrote the formulas formulas. From the formula you have to write the area of the sector LR by 2 square units. L is nothing but the length, 50 into 14 by 2. If you cancel this 2, you will get 7. 50 into 7 which is equal to 350 millimeter square. This is the answer for 8th question. Now we will move on to the 9th. We will see the 9th question. The next question is 9th question. Find the area of the sector whose perimeter is 64 centimeter and length of the arc is 44 centimeter. Length of the arc equal to 44 centimeter. Perimeter equal to 64. This is the given question. Given, you have to write the both. They asked us to find the area of the sector. So before going to find the area of the sector, we want to find the radius. We will write the perimeter formula L plus 2R equal to 64. Perimeter formula is L plus 2R equal to 54. It's given in the question itself. Value of L is nothing but 44. If you substitute 2R equal to 64 minus 44, R is equal to 64 minus 44 is nothing but 20. 2R is equal to 20, R is equal to 20 by 2 which is equal to 10 centimeter. We found the radius of the sector. Now we are going to find the area of the sector. So now area of the sector equal to LR by 2 square units. What is the length? Length of the arc is nothing but 44. Radius is 10. We substitute in this 44 into 10 by 2. If you cancel it, you will get 44 into 5. 44 into 5 is nothing but 220 centimeter square. So we found perimeter and also from the perimeter we found the radius. Substituting the radius here 10 centimeter here, we found the area of the sector. Shall we move on to the next sum? Yes. The next question is 10th question. Write the question and write the answer in the classwork. A sector of a radius is 4.2 centimeter has a area 9.24 centimeter square. Find its perimeter. The radius and the area is given. We have to find the perimeter. From the area, we are going to find what is the length of the arc. Look at this. Radius is given 4.2 centimeter. What is the sector formula? LR by 2. Just now we saw. LR by 2 equal to 9.2. Substitute here LR place. R is nothing but 4.2 by 2 which is equal to 9.24. This given as area is 9.24. Here you cancel it 2.1. So L into 2.1 equal to 9.24. If you find L is equal to 9.24 divided by 2.1. This one will come in denominator place. So if you cancel this, L is equal to 4.4 centimeter. 4.4 centimeter. Are you able to understand? Like this we have to find. The next page we'll see the perimeter. Find its perimeter. For that we need radius and the length of the arc. Very good. This two we are going to substitute in the perimeter formula. Perimeter equal to L plus 2R, which is equal to 4.4 plus 2 into radius is nothing but what we saw there, 4.2. 4.4 is the length of the arc, radius is 4.2. If you multiply with this 2, you will get 8.2. So 4.4 plus 8.2 is nothing but 12.6 centimeter. Able to understand? We found the perimeter also. Shall we move on to the next question? Sorry, here it is slight mistake is there. 2 2s are 4 is there. Change it into 4. 4. So 4 plus 4, 8. It's 12.8 centimeter. 12.8 centimeter. Shall we move on to the next question? The next question is, it's all important question, so make note of it. In front of a house, flower plant are grown in a circular quadrant shaped plot whose radius is 2 feet. Find the area of the plot in which the plants grow. You can see it in the question in the book. It's clearly given where pi is equal to 3.4. Shall we see how to do the sum? Yes, we'll start now. Central angle of the quadrant equal to 90 degree. If it is a quadrant I'll draw here. This is the quadrant. In the circle la 4 la ஒரு பகுதி quadrant. இதோட angle வந்து 90 degree. Able to understand? Yeah. That's why given us central angle of the quadrant is 90 degree. Radius of the circle is given 2 feet. Here it is given it is 2 feet. Find the area of the quadrant. Formula for the area of the quadrant is theta by 360 into pi r square square unit. Substitute this radius value here. If you substitute 90 by 360 into pi into 2 into 2. Radius is nothing but 2 feet. 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4. This 4 and this 4 will get cancelled. 3.14 square feet is the answer. Are you able to understand? Answer you write as it is like this. Shall we move on to the next question? Yes. The next question is, Damu fixes a square tile of 30 centimeter on the floor. The tile has a sector design on it as shown in the figure. You can check it in the this question in the book itself. Find the area of the sector. Why I am writing the question? Some of the students not writing the question. That's why writing the question in the video itself. Write the question and write the answers like this. If you have any doubt, you can verify with the book. Side of the square equal to 30 centimeter. Radius of the sector design equal to 30 centimeter. That side is nothing but the radius. Area of the quadrant 1 by 4 pi r square square units. So 1 by 4 into 3.14 into 30 into 30. You can cancel for 2 tables, 2 times 15 and again 2 times 15. So it's coming 3.414 into 15 into 15, that is 706.5 centimeter square. This is the answer for the 12th question. Now we will move on to the next question, that is 13th question. Shall we move? Yes. You can clearly copy down the answers like this. Now we will move on to the 13th question. I will read the question. A circle is formed with 8 equal granites stone as shown in the figure. This shown in the figure, you can refer the book. Each of the radius 56 centimeter and whose central angle is 45 degree. Find the area each of the granites. Now we will see the answer. Number of equal sector is n is equal to 8 is given in the question. Equal sector is n is equal to 8. Radius of the sector r is equal to 56 centimeter. It is also given r is equal to 56 centimeter. Now we are going to find the area of each sector. The formula is, that is 7th first second subdivision formula. You can check the formulas list. Last video I given the formulas, that is formulas la 7th la second subdivision. 1 by n into pi r square units. So which is equal to 1 by 8, because it's 8 equal parts is given in the question. Therefore 1 by 8 into pi value is 22 by 7 into radius is nothing but 56 into 56. If you simplify all the things, you will get 1232 centimeter square. The calculation part you can do it in your own, then only you can improve your calculations. Are you able to understand, students? Like this, what I wrote here, like this only you have to write it in your note. So this exercise gets over. Next we are going to see a new chapter called polynomials. After this you take a new page and write, or otherwise you continue with this. We'll see what is the topic for that. Put the topic polynomial. Under this topic you write, a closed plane figure formed by 3 or more sides is called a polygon. Not polynomial, it's polygon. A closed plane figure formed by 3 or more sides is called a polygon. Based on these sides, some of the polygons are tabled as given below. You can see this in the book, but it is in the different order. I wrote in this order. You can write in this way itself. Name of the polygon, number of sides. Triangle how many sides are there? 3 sides. Appo 3 sides in the polygon ku peru triangle. 4 sides in the polygon ku peru quadrilateral. Very good. So quadrilateral consists of number of sides are 4 sides. Pentagon consists of 5 sides. You might have heard this name pentagon because pentagon shape is 5 sides figure. Hexagon 6 sides. Heptagon 7. Octagon 8. Octo means 8. Nonagon 9. Decagon means 10. You have to write as it is what I wrote here, like this only in your note. Clear, students? I am showing once again the page like this. Use your pencil scale and draw neatly. Write it like this. Next we can write the formulas. This is formulae. Formulas for the next chapter. So one by one given. If I read everything, it will take time. Because of the time consistent, I am just showing the triangles. Triangle consists of area of the triangle, perimeter of the triangle, half into b into h. Perimeter you can find sum of all 3 sides. For equilateral triangle, the area is area of the equilateral triangle root 3 by 4 a square units. Height of the equilateral triangle root 3 by 2 a units. Perimeter is 3a units. Quadrilateral, area of the quadrilateral formula half into d into h1 plus h2. Perimeter formula sum of all the 4 sides. Parallelogram, area of the parallelogram is b into h square units. Perimeter is 2 into a plus b units. Rectangle, area of the rectangle equal to L into B square units. Perimeter is 2 into L plus B units. Trapezium, area of the trapezium is half into H into A plus B square units. Perimeter is sum of all the 4 sides. Rhombus, you can pause it in the particular page and you can copy down. Sir, தனித்தனியா photo எடுத்து அனுப்புங்கலாம் சொல்லாதீங்க. You can pause it on that place and write down. Rhombus, area of the rhombus equal to half into d1 into d2 square units. Perimeter is 4a units. Square, area of the square equal to a square units. Perimeter is 4a units. There are 8 formulas. Under that 8 formulas we are having 2 formulas. So totally only except this 3 in this equilateral triangle we have one more extra. So totally 16 plus 1 17 formulas you have to write. Again I am showing this clearly. you can pause it and copy down all the formulas one by one. These are all very important formulas, so you have to memorize all the formulas. Now we will move on to the exercise. Exercise 2.2, first question. Find the perimeter and area of the combined figure given below. This is the given figure is given. We have to find the perimeter and also area of this place. Area also. For that, this is nothing but the side of the square. It is also side of the rectangle. This is also the radius of diameter of the semicircle. So diameter is 7. Here it is 7 means here also 7 only. So from that we can find the radius. Radius equal to d by 2, that is 7 by 2. Length of the arc of the semicircle. இதோடைய length of the arc மட்டும் கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். Half into 2 into pi r units. So 1 by 2 into 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2. If you cancel 2 get cancelled, this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, 11 and 7 will get cancelled. Only 11 is the 11 centimeter square is the length of the arc. இதோடைய length இப்படி வந்துல இதோட 11 இதோட length வந்து 11 centimeter. Now next we are going to see the perimeter of that. 11 என்றது பார்த்தோம்னா அந்த arc plus 10 whole side, இன்னொரு சைடும் 10, opposite side இருக்கிறது 7. So இது எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஆட் பண்ணா we will get 38 meter is the perimeter of the that diagram, that shape. Now how will you find the area? Area equal to area of the rectangle minus area of the semicircle. So rectangle area formula வந்து L into B minus half into pi into r square, that is the area of the semicircle. 10 into 7 is 70, half into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. இதுவும் cancel ஆயிடும். So இது 11 times 7 cancel ஆயிடும். 11 7s are 77, 2 2s are 4. So இதுக்கு LCM எடுத்தீங்கன்னா 4 70 multiply பண்ணனும். 280 minus 77, 280 minus 77 is nothing but 203 by 4. 203 by 4 is 50.73 meter square. Like this you have to write down. Clear? This is the first subdivision answer. Now we will move on to the second subdivision. The second diagram is given like this. So for that, the length of the arc of the quadrant circle is 1 by 4. If it is a quadrant, you have to take 1 by 4 2 pi r. 1 by 4 into 2 edachu pi க்கு பதிலா 22 by 7. R is nothing but this is the radius 3.5 centimeter. So 3.5 போட்டுட்டீங்க. So இந்த 4 2 cancel ஆயிடும், 2 times 2 இந்த 11 cancel ஆயிடும். 11 into 3.5 by 7. So 11 into 3.5, இந்த இதையும் 7ஐயும் 3.5 cancel பண்ணா 0.5. So 11 into 0.5 is nothing but 55 centimeter. This is the length of the arc. இந்த arc இருக்கு இல்லைங்களா, இதோடைய ஒரு சைடு வந்து 5.5 centimeter. இந்த இதை மட்டும் length அளவு எடுத்தீங்கன்னா 5.5. இந்த மாதிரி ரெண்டு சைடு இருக்குது, இங்கே ஒரு சைடு இருக்குது, இங்கே ஒரு சைடு இருக்குது. அப்போ 2 times இருக்குது. Length of the arc of 2 sectors equal to 2 into 5.5 is equal to 11. இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம், பெரிமீட்டர் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். இந்த சைடு மேலே கீழே எல்லாத்தையும் பண்ண போகிறோம். இதோடைய லென்த்து 3.5 சென்டிமீட்டர். இது 6னா மேலேயும் 6 சென்டிமீட்டர் இருக்கும். இது 3.5னா இதுவும் 3.5. நான் சின்னதாக வரைஞ்சிருக்கேன், இருந்தாலும் இதுவும் 3.5. ஸோ இங்கே இருக்கிறது எல்லாத்தையும் ஆட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா இது 5.5 ஜஸ்ட் நோ விஃபார்ம். இது ஆட் பண்ணால் 11ன்னு தெரிஞ்சிடும். ஸோ பெரிமீட்டர் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு 11, தட் இஸ் 5.5 + 5.5 11 போட்டாச்சு. இந்த 6 இங்கே இருக்கிற 6 ப்ளஸ் 3.5 மேலே இருக்கிற ஒரு 3.5 ப்ளஸ் 6 மேலே இருக்கிற 6 ப்ளஸ் 3.5 இங்கே இருக்கிற 3.5. ஸோ இங்கே இருக்கிற எல்லா சைட்ஸும் ஆட் பண்ணால் பெரிமீட்டர் கிடச்சிடும். இஃப் யூ ஆட் தட் இஸ் நத்திங் பட் 30 சென்டிமீட்டர். நவ் வி வில் மூவ் ஆன் டு த ஏரியா. இந்த டயக்ராமுக்கு ஏரியா எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது? ஏரியா ஈக்குவல் டு ஏரியா ஆஃப் த 2 quadrant circle ப்ளஸ் ஏரியா ஆஃப் த ரெக்டாங்கிள். அதாவது இங்கே இருக்கிற 2 குவாட்ரண்ட் இருக்குது, இதோட ஏரியா தனியாக கண்டுபிடிக்க போகிறோம். இதோட ஏரியா கண்டுபிடிச்சி 2ஆல் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி அது கூட ரெக்டாங்கிளை ஆட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டால் போதும். ஸோ நவ் 2 into 1 by 4 into pi r square is the quadrant formula, area of the quadrant, plus length into breadth is the area of the rectangle. So 2 cancel ஆகிடும். again 2 into 11. ஸோ இதுவும் கேன்சல் ஆகிட்டு 0.5 கிடைக்கும். ஸோ 11 into 3.5 into 0.5 plus 6 into 3.5 is nothing but 21. So இது எல்லாத்தையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணினா 19.25 plus 21. 19.25 plus 21 is 40.25. So like this only you have to write it in your note for the second subdivision. Now we will move on to the second sum. Second sum, find the area of the shaded portion. எது இது ஷேடட் ஆகிருக்கோ அதோட ஏரியா மட்டும் கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்கிறோம். இதில் புக் ஆன்சர் ராங்கு, இது வரைக்கும் எழுதுனா போதும். ஏரியா ஆஃப் த ஷேடட் மட்டும் பண்ணால் போதும். வில் சி ஏரியா ஆஃப் த ஷேடட் பார்ட் ஈக்குவல் டு ஏரியா ஆஃப் 4 quadrant. ஏரியா ஆஃப் 4 quadrant. ஸோ 4 into ஏரியா ஆஃப் த quadrant ஃபார்முலா இஸ் 1/4. குவாட்ரண்ட்னாலே 1/4 தான். 1/4 pi r square. ஸோ 3 பாயிண்ட் இந்த 4 கேன்சல் ஆகிடும். ஸோ பையோட வேல்யூ 3.14 into this is full length is 10. அப்போ பாதி எவ்வளோ இருக்குன்னா 10/2 தான் இருக்கும். அப்போ 10/2 into 10/2 is the radius. r square இருக்குல்ல, இப்போ r ஸ்கொயர் பண்ணால் 10/2 into 10/2. ஸோ இது எல்லாத்தையும் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் இது கேன்சல் ஆகிடும் 5 times. இதுவும் கேன்சல் ஆகிடும். அப்போ 3.514 into 5 into 5 is nothing but 78.5 centimeter square. This is the second sum, first subdivision answer. Second sum, second subdivision. This is the angle. This is the diagram is given. We want to find the area of the shaded part. Area of the shaded part equal to, already I said that first subdivision answer is wrong in the book. That's not wrong. Actually they are given the unshaded area. We asked the, in this they given the area for unshaded part. That is wrong. They asked for the shaded part only. So shaded part answer is 78.5. that only correct. Don't check it in your book and say you are wrongly written. This is the correct answer. Now we will move on to the second subdivision. Second subdivision, this shaded part we have to find. For that, area of the shaded part equal to area of the semicircle, full area கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு minus area of the triangle. இந்த triangle separate பண்ணா area of the shaded part வரும். Area of the semicircle is nothing but 1/2 pi r square minus half into b into h, base into height. So here base is nothing but it's here also 7 cm, here also 7 cm. Base is 7 plus 7, 14. Very good. 14 cm is the base that we will calculate it. So half into pi oda value vandu 3.14 into radius is nothing but this is the radius 7 into 7 minus area of the triangle formula half into base into height. Half into base is just now we said 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 into 7. So everything if you simplify in this you can get 153.86 by 2. Here 2 and 7 will get cancelled, 14 will get cancelled, 7 7s are 49. So if you subtract this 76, if you simplify, if you cancel this 2, you will get 76.93. Subtract 76.93 from minus 49, you will get 76.93 minus 49 is 27.93. So just I am going little bit fast to complete the question. So clearly you copy down in your note. We'll see in the next class. Thank you children.